In this video, we are going to discuss about another important modal verb, should. The modal verb, should, is a key part of English language and its grammar. It is used to express advice, expectations, obligations, probability, and even hypothetical situations. Although it is the past form of shall, should is commonly used in present and future contexts as well. We use should to give advice or suggestions like, you should drink more water. It also expresses expectations or probability. For example, the train should arrive at 10 o'clock. Should can indicate obligation or duty, though it is softer than must. Students should respect their teachers. For past regrets or criticism, use should have plus a past participle. You should have apologized. In formal or hypothetical situations, should appears in sentences like, should you need help, let me know. Some verbs and expressions are followed by a clause with should in more formal English, especially to express necessity, suggestion, or importance. It is essential that he should attend the meeting. Should is always followed by the base form of the verb, you should study more. They should have told the truth. It does not change with the subject or does not take an S in the third person singular. I should, he should, we should, all the same. For negatives, use should not or shouldn't. You shouldn't smoke here. To form questions, place should at the beginning. Should I call her now? Remember, should is less forceful than must. Use should for advice, not strong obligations. For past regrets, always use should have plus the past participle. I shouldn't have shouted at him. Should is versatile for advice, probability, duty, regret, and hypotheticals. Practice using it in different contexts to master this essential English modal verb.
If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe, so you never miss an update from us. We'd love to see your comment. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.